Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Update and Security, then Activation. Make sure you are signed into the Microsoft account tied to your digital license. This links a license to your hardware. Once done, confirm the edition matches your product key and that you have an active internet connection. Run the Activation Troubleshooter now. It detects common faults and often fixes missing digital licenses automatically. If it shows an error code, write it down for the next step. If the troubleshooter didn't resolve it, reapply your key. You can use Change Product Key in Settings or run SLU3 to enter a 25-character key manually. For a deeper reset, open an elevated command prompt and run slmgr. VBS/IP your key, then slmgr. VBS/auto to force online activation. This often resolves token or licensing store issues. Make sure the software protection service is running and Windows Update is current, because activation relies on updated components. After applying fixes, restart your PC and let Windows complete updates, then check activation again. If activation still fails, use phone activation from SLU4 or contact Microsoft support and provide the errors you recorded. They can often resolve account, license transfer, or hardware ID issues. Make sure the installed Windows edition matches any OEM firmware license on UEFI/BIOS. If it's a hardware change, you may need to reactivate using your Microsoft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.